Right, it's a bit slow progress, I'm afraid, but I have completed the first route run around here. So if it decides to focus, you can see I'm all the way around. Here was particularly big gap there. Actually, I was probably up to about maybe even 6mm, so that I was having to really swash it round or sweep it round or whatever. But there actually was another big one, but it's all done. Got a second one tacked in, so I can start grind the other side of this one now. Yeah, so you can see this one I've done the root pass from the other side now, so you can see here I've done this has come through there, and then I just kind of knock the top off it just to take it down to the bare metal, so I can make sure that I'm all the way through. And another thing that I've noticed is that I've forgotten to break the edges on this one. This edge here is not broken, so it's like a razor blade, so I'm going to have to do this by hand. Right, it's more like it. This is the handbrake valve for the Bobcat, which is leaking. There was a lip seal there, which in Bobcat's wisdom is integral to this housing, so you can't replace the seal. Their solution is that you replace a whole valve. What it actually is the seal is like there's a plate on the underneath, and the seal is sort of squashed in between the two plates. So basically you can't repair it. I can't push this plate out, and even if I did, I don't think Bobcat don't make a seal kit. You have to buy a whole new valve, which is 900 quid. I think there's just hydraulic in, hydraulic out, and when you pull the brake, then the hydraulic fluid goes out of one of these others. I mean, these say P, T and A, so I'm thinking maybe I could just use some sort of other hydraulic valve instead. I mean, somebody must know.